When Michaela was just 8 weeks pregnant with Capri, tragedy struck our family and her father passed away on Easter in 2020. He loved deep sea fishing and he could not wait to have a little grandbaby. And so my mother-in-law made that canvas and painted it in memory of him, a picture of him fishing on the beautiful water to be hung in Capri's room forever. Although it's a beautiful statement piece already, we wanted to make it even a bigger statement piece. So I made a big fat frame to put it in. It's a budget-friendly frame, very easy to build. Just a couple 2x4s that are unfortunately like $10 a piece right now. Used to, you could build this whole frame for like $4 or $5. I just started by ripping off the rounded edges on a table saw, mitering the corners, and I just made it as tight to the canvas that I could. I stained it with early American and then went back with some dark walnut on top of it to darken it up, get the look I wanted. Sprayed it with a satin finish, and then I just did the wire hanger on the back. Put some washers on a screw, tighten the wire up, and I used 3 drywall anchors with washers on the screws also to keep that wire from ever coming off. And here we go. Nice big bold statement piece to forever be in Capri's room.